Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying physical status so you know what to fix. First, look at the modem and router lights. Note which are red or off. Once done, unplug the modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for stabilization before restarting the router. While devices reboot, inspect all coax, DSL, and Ethernet connections for kinks or loose ends. If a light remains red after the restart, prepare to log into device settings as the next step. You now dive into the router interface to find the root cause. Log in using the router IP printed on the device. Check the WAN or internet status to see if you have an IP address assigned. If using PPPoE, confirm credentials. If DHCP, ensure no lease conflicts. Make sure firmware is current and run the router's diagnostics or event log to capture any error codes. Once you have that data, you can adjust settings or provide clear. You finish by applying fixes and confirming connectivity. After saving corrected settings, reboot modem then router and test a wired connection first to isolate Wi-Fi variables. Next, connect several wireless clients and run a speed test. If speed and connectivity are restored, monitor for stability. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after you've documented current settings, then reconfigure. And if that still doesn't clear the red indicator, contact your ISP with your diagnostics and error logs for deeper resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.